Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can practice press the opponent in comments tutorial of eFootball 2024. So this is the call for pressure. Before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game. Still confusing how you can complete the mission, how you can challenge the event, so you can get ton of reward from it. Let's get started by tap the extras, tap the training, tap the comment tutorial, and the middle one, tap the press. So you can practice this pressure or press anytime as you want. Let's get started. Press switch button to change player to your control and tap dash and press. You have to hold this. Let's try another one. Switch and press. And this is the challenge. Win the ball 2 times. Press your opponent like this, and the second one is switch and press. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click that button below. Enjoy the game.